This train is about to depart. Thank you very much for travelling with us. We appreciate that you have a choice of car-based rail companies.
James, that's my job. I'm running this bit of the train. You just drive. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your steward speaking, whose train this is. We will shortly be departing towards Loughborough.
Look at this! It's a train and it works! This is just the best thing I've ever done.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'll be through shortly with refreshments. Oh, yeah.
I don't know if this is coming across in the images you're seeing at home, but the sensation of being in a car but on the railway is just the maddest thing I've ever seen out of the window. It's a railway! Past another train parked in a siding. It's just wonderful. More points coming up. The responsible driver slows down a bit, a tiny bit of braking.
Refreshments, gentlemen.